Residents of Fayetteville got a chance to meet NBA star and Fayetteville native Dennis Smith Jr. as he and the company Under Armour unveiled refurbished basketball courts at the Smith Recreation Center. Attendees to the event were treated to a carnival-like atmosphere as they got a chance to try out the new courts and meet the NBA star. Kids had the opportunity to participate in games, basketball clinics, and skills challenges. Dennis grew up in Fayetteville and wanted to give back to the community by revitalizing the courts that he played on as a kid. He was a star player for Trinity Christian School and currently plays for the New York Knicks.
My best memory, being able to play with the older guys for the first time. Yeah. Out here, obviously the court didn't look like this. Sometimes we couldn't get into the gym, especially when I was younger. So I have to play with the older guys, and I usually wouldn't get to play.
Yeah.
So, once I got all right, I was able to play then, and I wasn't too long out here before they started letting me into the gym whenever they seen I had some talent.
Yeah. Who were some of those older guys?
You got Roger Brown was one of them, and it was just a lot of locals. It was just a lot of locals, you know what I'm saying? And the reason I stopped playing out here so much because of Coach Harrington. Rest in peace. He really was a guy who let me in the gym. Sometimes he'll let me in the gym and lock the doors and won't let nobody else in. So, just to keep me safe and just taking care of.
Renovations at the Fayetteville Regional Airport are making progress. It is the first major renovation of the airport since it was built in 1969. The new building that will house Concourse A has been constructed and interior work has begun. Crews have also started construction of the rotunda and connector that bridges the new building to the existing terminal. The new rotunda will have a decorative floor and will be home to a waiting area as well as a new restaurant and bar. Once Terminal Part 1 of the airport renovations is completed, Terminal 2 will be put out to bid, which include renovations of the existing terminal building, a 20-foot addition to the front, renovations to the airline ticketing and baggage claim area, and administrative offices. The total cost of the airport renovations will be an estimated $40 million and is funded by federal and state grants, as well as airport funds. The Fayetteville-Cumberland Parks and Recreation Department helped with landscaping and beautification efforts as the Arts Council and the Massey Hill community installed a new art piece. The Arts Council commissioned the piece that celebrates Massey Hill's connection to the textile industry. The art piece is located at the roundabout entrance to the community, which is at the intersection of Camden and Cumberland Roads near the site of the Lakedale Mill. The Arts Council provided $20,000 for the project, with Massey Hill Discovery Community Group raising additional donations for the project. City leaders recently broke ground on a new splash pad that is being built at the Dorothy Gilmore Therapeutic Recreation Center. The Gilmore Therapeutic Recreation Center offers recreation and leisure programs for persons with disabilities. The new splash pad will tie into the playground at the Recreation Center. The cost for the new splash pad will be around $400,000 and is part of a $35 million park bond which was passed by voters in 2016. Once construction begins in February, it is expected to be completed by the late spring or early summer. The new stadium under construction in downtown Fayetteville has been named as Segra Stadium. Segra, formerly known as Spirit Communications, entered a long-term agreement with the Woodpeckers for the naming rights for the stadium. Segra is one of the largest independent fiber bandwidth companies in the United States and will serve as the stadium's official communications services partner. The company has already begun running fiber optic in Fayetteville. In addition, the stadium will be outfitted with cutting-edge Wi-Fi coverage powered by redundant 10 gigabytes per second fiber connectivity, allowing fans to enhance their game day experience with seamless lightning-speed video, interactivity, and social media. The public will get a sneak peek of the stadium on April 13th from noon to 3 p.m. during the Fayetteville Fans First Look event. Free and open to the public, Fayetteville Fans First Look will give residents the chance to check out the stadium's amenities, concession areas, a patio with foosball and cornhole, a children's play area, and the team store. Individual game, season, half-season, and partial season tickets will also be on sale on the day of the event. The new Segra Stadium will be home to the Fayetteville Woodpeckers, a Class A advanced affiliate for the Houston Astros, the 2017 World Series champions. The Woodpeckers won the Carolina League Championship last year as the Buies Creek Astros, where they played until the stadium construction is completed. Their first home game in Fayetteville is April 18th against the Carolina Mudcats.